How to use the 55 by 5 manifesting method to get anything you want in 2025. Hi there and welcome to my channel. I'm Andrea. I'm a mindset coach and manifestation expert. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss my video. Appreciation and intentional living are truly stealing the show in 2025. And practices like 55 by 5 method are becoming super popular because they help you tune into universal abundance in a fun and practical way. And today I want to guide you step by step on how to use this powerful technique to manifest anything you want in 2025. So the 55 by 5 method is a simple yet incredibly effective manifestation technique because it's about aligning your energy with what you desire. And in 2025, appreciation-focused routines are at the heart of spiritual trends, and this method fits perfectly into that mindset. So here is how it works. Over the next 5 days, you'll write 2 affirmations 55 times each day for 5 days. But don't let the simplicity fool you. This practice is about so much more than just writing. It's about getting in touch with the feeling of already having what you desire. And that's where the magic happens. To get started, and as a simple example, I bring you 2 affirmations that work beautifully with this method. The first affirmation is, I am appreciative of the abundance flowing into my life in 2025. This is an amazing place to start because appreciation is one of the highest vibrations you can emit. When you feel truly thankful, you create a magnetic energy that attracts even more things to be thankful for. And this affirmation is perfect for setting the stage for abundance and flow. The second affirmation is, I trust the timing of my desires. They are unfolding perfectly. Now, this affirmation is so that you don't stress over the when it's going to happen. This affirmation helps you let go of resistance and builds trust in the process. It's like giving yourself permission to relax and know that everything is working out for you. When you trust, you're able to align with your desires effortlessly. Now let's talk about this process a bit in more depth. Choose one of these affirmations or create your own and dedicate the next 5 days to writing it 55 times a day. But don't just write them down mindlessly. This is your chance to connect deeply with your affirmation. As you write, imagine your desire as already being yours. Feel it and picture it vividly in your mind. Ask yourself, what would it feel like to have this? What emotions would it bring? Neuroscience has shown that our brains are incredibly adaptable, a concept known as neuroplasticity. And when you repeat an affirmation with intention and feeling, you're actually rewiring your brain. Think of it as strengthening a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. And repetition helps to create and reinforce neural pathways, making new belief feel natural and true. For example, let's say you always believe that financial abundance is hard to achieve. And by repeating an affirmation like, I'm grateful for the abundance flowing into my life every day, you're replacing that limited belief with a new one, empowering one. And over time, your brain adapts to this new thought pattern and you begin to see opportunities and solutions that align with your desire for abundance. But it's not just about repetition. Emotions play a huge role in the process. Think of emotions as the bridge between your thoughts and your reality. And when you feel deeply, whether it's appreciation, excitement, or joy, you amplify this energy of your affirmation. This emotional charge sends a powerful signal to your subconscious mind and to the universe itself. For instance, if you're manifesting a new job, think about how exciting it would be to wake up every day feeling motivated and happy. Picture yourself walking into your dream office and doing the work you always loved. If your goal is to manifest love, feeling the joy of being deeply understood and appreciated by someone special, let those feelings guide your writing. You might notice that doubts or resistance come up while you do this. And that's okay. It's completely normal. When those thoughts arise, just acknowledge them and gently bring your attention back to the positive emotion your affirmation brings. The more you do this, the more you'll rewire your brain to believe your desires. Now, you might be wondering what happens after 5 days. And the truth is, this practice is about momentum. 5 days might be enough for some people to shift their energy and start seeing results, but for others, it could take longer. The key is consistency and trust. If you feel inspired to keep going, keep going. The most important thing is to maintain that sense of alignment with your desires. What makes 55 by 5 method so powerful is that it's not just about manifesting things, it's about transforming yourself into someone who naturally attracts the life you dream of. And when you're aligned, everything flows to you so much easily. So let me know in the comments, what are you manifesting in 2025? If you tried 55 by 5 method, I'd love to hear about your experiences. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and techniques to help you on your manifestation journey. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.